For those of you who have passion for singing, for those of you who can sing very well, but you don't know what to sing about, you don't know what to write, and you don't know how to generate beat on your own, you don't need to go to studio. You can create it right with your phone, do it, upload it on social media, and you will be trending. Then click on the red plus sign. Then go to your Play Store, download ChatGPT if you don't have it. And if you have it, open it. So first thing first, open ChatGPT. So once it's open, then you write. See what I just wrote here. Write a Nigerian Afrobeat song for me. Then you send. Let's see. And boom, here it comes. Omo, Naija we dey grind non-stop. It be like say I don't fall again. Oh, yeah. No go lie your love. And so on, so on, so forth. So this is it. Then the next thing is to highlight these lyrics and copy it. Copy your song. Then I'll go to my browser or Google and type Suno AI to pop up. You can see it there. Tap on it. You open www.suno.com. So you can go straight to the website and type www.suno.com or open it from Google, and it will allow you to open. Let's watch. You tap create. Now it will ask you to sign up. If you already have account, you sign in. If you don't have account, you click sign up. So after you have logged in, at the top, click create your own song. Once you click on create, you come here, click custom. Right? Once you click custom, then here you see add your own lyrics. Then you paste the lyrics you copy from ChatGPT. You remember your own lyrics, you paste it. You scroll down here, ask you style, what type of song do you want to generate? So Afrobeat, right? You click Afrobeat. That's one I want. So you know the type of song you want, the style of your song you want. And then you go to bottom song title. I no go lie. So what next? You come to the bottom here, click create. Click create. Now it has created. Let's check this song if it has created. Okay, song is here. I no go lie. You can see I no go lie here. All right, let's tap on it. I'm on Niger. We dey grind non-stop. Yeah. From Lagos down to Abuja, I dey find you like Uber. Get your body soft, it dey cool my temper. You be my queen, no be regular. I no get time for the drama. Now only you fit come my wahala. If I get you, I no need another. I go build mansion for your mama. Oh my baby, no they dumb me. If na game make we play, I'm slowly. I go ride with you like Tokuma.